1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right.
Paw Patrol, will be there on the double whenever there's a problem. Round in Venture Bay, Ryder as team pups will come and save the day. Marshall Rubble chase Rocky Zuma Sky. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I got the fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
This little finger on my right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Subscribe for our videos.
Yeah.